Good morning, everyone. I am up early and I just wanted to do a video about what I eat in a day, just so I can show that I am not starving myself and I'm pretty much still enjoying a lot of the same foods that I ate before. It's just being healthier, replacing some foods with healthy options, and being mindful of every single food that I put in my mouth. So let's begin. I know this bowl is a little bit stained. It's old, but it's one of my favorite bowls. I'm starting off with a bowl full of fresh strawberries. What I love about strawberries, I like to eat them at room temperature, but they've been in the freezer, so I'll let them sit for a little while. They're really sweet and tasty, and they fill me up for a really long time. So I'm gonna start off with some strawberries. I just made some biscuits, the ones out of the can. They're a little bit burnt, but they're soft on the inside. They're about 100 calories each, so I might eat 2 or 3 of these with my strawberries. And I'm also going to add some lemon water to my breakfast as well. For lunch, this is like a Lunchable for adults. It's got prosciutto and some, I don't know what kind of cheese this is. What is this? Cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese. And I'm about to eat this for my lunch. Treating myself to some Doritos as another little snack. Popsicles is one of my favorite low-calorie snacks. These meal replacement shakes are delicious, and I'm ending the day with some pasta, and that is going to conclude what I eat in a day. This is just an average day. Bye.